Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Vivi. I am a full-time Poshmark seller and a lifestyle blogger. So if you're interested in reseller related content in fashion and style, you can go ahead and subscribe. And without further ado, let's get started. So I have a what's so video for you guys today. These are items that sold over the month of April, and I'm just going to go into it really quickly. So if you're not familiar with my channel and you're new, I do consign. As people give me items, I look through it to see what style or brand's going to sell. Once it's sold, we split that 50-50. The first item that's sold, new without tag, report black mule. This I picked up from Marshall's. It was a retail arbitrage. It was brand new, beautiful, studded details, as you can see on the pictures. And yeah, that sold pretty quick. It was like 2 weeks of listing, and that sold for $38. Poshmark took out their fee. I was left with $30.40. Also, the next item that sold that has been sitting in my closet forever is this beautiful bamboo purse. This I bought from my girlfriend. She has a boutique. I bought that from her and then resold that after using it like maybe once or twice. It was in brand new condition. I just used it for photo shoot and that was about it. So that sold full price for $85, and Poshmark took out the fee. I was left with $68. I was so happy for that sale. Like, that person came out of nowhere and just purchased that, and I am so grateful. So the next item that sold is this Forever 21 burnt orange blazer. It was a size small. She sent an offer of $19, and I accepted that. Poshmark took out their fees. I was left with $15.20. The next item that sold is this boho black rib midi dress. This is pretty. This I sourced last year summer, and it sat for a while. And they offered $20. I accepted that pretty quickly. Poshmark took out their fee. I was left with $16. The next item that sold was this Ann Taylor leopard print shirt. This is extra small. I bought this off of Poshmark. You can also source off of Poshmark. You just have to do your research. And yeah, so I bought this off of Poshmark for myself, and when I find out the extra small was a little too tight in the arm area, I decided to relist it, and it sold for $19. Poshmark took out their fee. I was left with $15.20. The next item that sold was this Who What Wear jumpsuit. It was in my previous haul. This sold really quick. I listed it for a week and it sold for $22. Poshmark took out their fee. I was left with $17.60. So the next item that sold is this gorgeous misguarded blush pink Maxine dress. This dress was so beautiful. The material is heavy. It just felt like this material right here, but it was pretty heavy. So that sold for $40. She sent me an offer. I accepted for $40. Poshmark took out the fee. I was left with $32. Gorgeous dress. So the next item that sold is this beautiful Zara Gun and Roses Distraught Denim. This I sourced from Marshall's as well. It was a retail arbitrage. I got two. So what happened was I did one listing and listed the sizes, and I saw that it wasn't moving. It wasn't getting a lot of interest. So what I did was split up the listing and just did like individual sizes. Once I relisted it the same night, somebody bought it. I was so happy. So yeah, so this sold for $30. And Poshmark took out the fee. I was left with $24. This was a size 4. I think I had two sizes, size 4 and size 6 shorts for the summer. The next item that sold, this I sourced off of Poshmark as well. H&M brown faux leather pants, size 6. Usually I'm a H&M 6, and with leather, I thought leather run a little on the smaller side. So I sourced this for myself, but it was a little too big, and with a paper bag, you don't want to look extra baggy. I was disappointed, and I relisted it. It sold for $38. Poshmark took out the fee. I was left with $30.40. Gorgeous pants. It was like new. This Zara new attack Zara V-neck sweater I sourced from my local Salvation Army, I think sometimes November last year, and this sold for $25. True offer. I accepted it. Poshmark took out the fee. I was left with $20. The next item that sold was this beautiful floral GP and J Baker. H&M is some kind of collaboration or whatever. And this was a size 12. Very beautiful dress. It sat in my closet forever. I sourced this I think last summer. And she sent me an offer of $30. I accepted that really fast. And Poshmark took out their fee. I was left with $24. Beautiful dress. So the next item that sold was this light wash blue rock star denim. This been sitting in my closet for like ever. I thought it was gonna be there till Judgment Day. So I was just like, whatever. I just want to get something out of it. So she offered $5. I accepted. Poshmark took out their fee. I was left with $2.05. Same with this next item. Black and white casual top. This sat in my closet forever and ever and ever. Oh my goodness. She sent me an offer of $6. I accepted. Poshmark took out their fees. Well, I think I gave a discount shipping. I just wanted this out of my closet. So I offered $6 with shipping, with discounted shipping. Poshmark took out their fee. I was left with 93 cents. You know, something better than nothing. So the next item that sold was the Forever 21 black eyelet bodysuit. The eyelet was on the ruffles details in the front. It was so pretty. Black. She sent me an offer of $10. I accepted. Poshmark took out the fee. I was left with $7.05. And the next item that sold was the Zara Multicolored Sequins Camisole top. This was a size large. She sent me an offer of $30. I accepted. Poshmark took out the fees. I was left with $24. That I sourced from my local Salvation Army. I saw all my Zara items was like, Zara just like dumped everything at my local Salvation Army. I was so happy when I walked in there. The last time I sourced, I think it was February 26th. I was just looking at the receipt today. And I was like, wow, I should have gotten more inventory knowing all this nonsense was going to happen. I don't know. Hopefully it's over soon. I hope you guys are doing okay though. The next item that sold was this Victoria's Secret green cami slip dress. This is really pretty. If it was in like a tan or beige or light pink, which is blush or whatever, I was going to keep it for myself. It's out for a while, like a couple of months. And somebody offered $30. I accepted. Poshmark took out their fees. I was left with $24. So the next item that sold was this beautiful plaid oversized blanket scarf. So this sold for full asking price $25. Poshmark took out the fee. I was left with $20. And she loved scarf. So the next item that sold was a bundle. A black felt hat with tan brown buckle. This black hat, Vince Camuto lace triangle bralette, and the H&M blush pink cami. The H&M blush pink cami is consigned. So I have to figure out how we're going to split that 50-50. We went back and forth on the offer. And we settled on $38. Poshmark took out the fees. So I was left with $30.40. The next item that sold was this DV black flats size 9. This I sourced from I think Salvation Army or Goodwill. This it's out for at least 2 months. It was size 9. I knew like around this time somebody would buy it because it had like a perforated holes at the front. So I knew it's like summer, spring to summer kind of shoes. So this, they offered $20. I accepted. Poshmark took out the fees. I was left with $16. The next item that sold was this gorgeous regulation snake skin angle booties. This I saw from Marshall as well. It was like the red tag, yellow tag sale. Some of the items were red. Some of the items that I bought was yellow tag sale. Buyer offered $35. I accepted. Poshmark took out the fees. I was left with $28. Next item that sold was this newer tag Zara cream blazer dress size medium. It offered me $30. Poshmark took out the fees. I was left with $24. Next item that sold was this beautiful red tie front ruffled top. I don't know the brand on this, so she offered $10 and I accepted. Poshmark took out the fee. I'm left with $7.05, and this is consigned as well. So the next item that sold was the Charlotte Russe white crop top. This sat forever. I think my sister gave me this to list when she moved to Atlanta. She gave me a couple of items to list. Some had sold and some just still sitting there. So the person came along, offered $20. I accepted. Poshmark took out the fees. I was left with $9.05. The next item that sold was this California Bella Bloom gingham dress. This, they offer, we were going back and forth. This person and I went back and forth for a couple of days, and then we later decided on $25. Poshmark got the fee. I was left with $20. This item that sold was this beautiful gray war market gray scarf, and this sold for $10. Accepted the offer. Poshmark got their fee. I was left with $17.05, and this is consigned as well. So the next item that sold April 29 was this beautiful deep matting blue suede fringe sandals. This was new without tag. It still had the plastic wrap and everything on there. It's forever in my closet. Usually Steve Madden does well for me, but this one, I think because I priced it on the higher side. But yeah, so they offered $60. I was like, yes. I accepted that. Poshmark got that fee. I was left with $48. Next item that sold was Forever 21 sequin short dress. Oh my goodness, this is forever in my closet. So I was gonna even take $1 just to get this to somebody. So she offered $4. Poshmark took out their fees. I was left with $1.05. Same with this other item, the Express lace cold shoulder cream top. This is forever as well. She offered $4. Poshmark took out the fees. I was left with $1.05. I just wanted to move these items. Alright guys, so that's it for my what sold video, and I am so grateful for each sale that I made. So thank you for watching. If you like video like this, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later on my next video. Thank you and bye bye.